Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to disable private browsing authentication in Safari on iPhone and iPad. In the latest iteration of iOS, Apple has introduced several new privacy and security features to its mobile operating system, one being the ability to require secondary authentication for private browsing tabs in Safari. So if you have any private browsing tabs open in Safari and then exit the session or the app, Apple's browser now requires Face ID or Touch ID authentication or your passcode to access them again. However, if you don't tend to hand your unlocked device over to anyone else or find the authentication requirement rather annoying, you can turn it off pretty easily. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Safari. Then head over to the Privacy and Security section and then turn off the toggle next to Require Face ID or Touch ID to unlock private browsing, and that's pretty much it. You have successfully disabled private browsing authentication in Safari. Later, if you ever happen to change your mind, go back to the same Safari setting and then activate this privacy feature, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.